Hello there, welcome to our channel Login News. Again, hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your HelloFresh account from your desktop. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, on your computer, first open up your preferred browser. I have already opened the Google Chrome, as you can see, and on the search bar type in hellofresh.com like this and hit enter, or you can simply search for HelloFresh in Google. Hit enter. And after that, you can see the hellofresh.com over here. Click on there, and basically both are the same web page over here. Let's let one of the Cloudflare load, and let's log in with this site. And now first let's let the page load fully. You can see the hello page everywhere. And now to log into HelloFresh, you can see the login option over here on the top right corner of your screen. Click on the login option, and after that you will be directed to this page. And after that you will be redirected to this page where you will have to enter your email and password over here to log into your Fresh account, or you can just simply log in with your Facebook or Google or your Apple, or you can just simply sign up for HelloFresh from over here by clicking on sign up. And there guys, this is how you log into your HelloFresh account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding your topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.